Fried tomatoes, onions, and smoked sausage. Add a few other ingredients like garlic powder and stir-fry sauce if you want. This works really great on white rice or even on spaghetti. So I will continue. Okay, so I already have my onions and tomatoes cut up, and I have olive oil on medium heat in a skillet. I'm going to do those first because the smoked sausage is already cooked, so it basically just needs heated up. So we're going to saute the onions and tomatoes here for a few minutes, about 4 probably. I like onions slightly crispy and not fully cooked when I eat those, so we're going to continue. Okay, while that's simmering, I went ahead and added garlic powder, salt, and ground black pepper. Now I'm going to go ahead and add Knorr liquid seasoning, which makes everything taste better. And in the meantime, I went ahead and cut up my smoked sausage, so we're going to go ahead and add that to the skillet right now. It is coming along very nicely. We're going to give it a few more minutes here. And there you go, 3-ingredient Mr. Mom meal when you're in a hurry. Takes about 10 minutes and tastes awesome. Again, I put it on white rice, but you can also put it on spaghetti too, or any kind of pasta you want, and it's still awesome. Cheap ballpark hot dogs in the air fryer. They're gonna taste like they're put out on the grill. I'm gonna show you how. Liquid smoke. Simply brush liquid smoke on each one. And we're going to put it in a preheated air fryer, which is preheated to 360 degrees for about 4 minutes. I always put a little bit of mayonnaise inside the bun. And this right here is what they look like after coming out of the air fryer. I use a Kasori brand. I forget the model number, but anyway, I'm going to finish them up. I always like to use sweet relish and ketchup and mustard, but it's all personal preference. So here we go. And there we go. Hot dogs that taste like they're grilled, but they're actually made in an air fryer. Today I'm going to make tortilla pizza, which is tortillas, Italian seasoning, sauce, Parmesan cheese. So I preheat my pan. I use a little bit of olive oil, the cheapy stuff. I put my tortilla in the pan and let it fry, and while it does that, I'm going to go ahead and add sauce. So I go ahead and add sauce and spread it around. And once that is done, I will add shredded mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese is added, so now we're going to add some Italian seasoning. We'll sprinkle on a little amount here. That's enough. And we will put another tortilla on the top. Like so. Press it down slightly. And wait about 30 seconds. And we will flip it over. And we just flipped it over. Nice golden brown color. And we'll give it maybe 40 seconds or so. And there you go, something quick and easy to make for the kids that basically cost under 40 cents. You can add pepperonis, onions, mushrooms, whatever inside if you want to. I'm just doing this with cheese because currently that's all I have. If you like this video, please like and sub, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye.